Hello everyone, this is Scott Shirley from Madison School District. I'm Scott's avatar, and I'm going to be teaching you today how to use Google Maps to teach children, especially the younger children, how to work with perimeters and area to do a lot of fun projects that the kids will really like to do. So, as we go to Google Maps, in the bottom left-hand corner, click on the satellite view. And what let's do is, let's see if we can have the kids figure out how long is the airport at Madison Airport in Rexburg. So we will zoom in and we will go to the airport. And as we go into the airport, as you go into the north side of the airport, move that around so that you can kind of see both ends of the airport. And we're going to have the kids figure out how long is that airport. So right click on the north edge, and as you go down, you'll see measure distance. Just left click that. Okay, we're going to measure the distance. Now what we're going to do is that leaves this little dot right here at the north. So it says either drag it or come down here. And what we'll do is we'll go to the end of the airport, and to the runway, and we will go left click. Okay, as we do that, if you want to move it around a little bit, you can shorten it, you can make it longer just by holding down the left button. But as you look down here, total distance, 4,181.82 feet, or 1.27 kilometers. Okay, that's really cool. Now you can have the kids do distance from here to there, and that gives them that idea. Okay, let's say that now we want to do the area. So what we will do is the question: how big is the cement basketball court at Porter Park in Rexburg, Idaho? So what we'll do is we'll go over here to Rexburg. We'll zoom out a little bit to make sure we know where we are. And we see there is Rexburg Rapids. Oh, there we go. We will zoom in and we will find Porter Park. And we will find Porter Park right there. So we'll zoom in a little bit more, and we want to know how big is all of this area. So what we will do is we'll go up to the upper left-hand corner, and we will right-click, and it'll say distance. Okay, first of all, we forgot, you need to remember clear the measurement from the previous one. So we will clear that. So up in the right-hand corner, we will measure distance. Okay. Now this gets to be fun, because if we were doing perimeter, we would just go here, 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 and here. But this will do both of them. This will do both perimeter and area at the same time. So we've got this one right here. We'll go down here to the bottom left-hand corner, and we'll click. And it shows us the distance from here to here, total distance. Okay, now we come over here to the right-hand corner on the bottom, and we left click, and it gives us that distance, but still no area because we don't have 4 of them, or we don't have it enclosed yet. So we'll go up to the right-hand corner on the top, click right there. Now we have 3 sides, and now what we'll do is we will just grab onto that. If we want to move it around, you can move it this way just by holding down on the left click. But let's go maybe about right over here, and that gives us the distance there. But we'll grab onto that dot, and we will pull it over, put it right on top of that other dot, and boom. Look down here, total area, 493,348.33 square feet, or 45,833 meters squared. Total distance, the same. Okay, now that's the total area of Porter Park. But we said we wanted to get just the basketball court that's right down here. So let's go right click, and we will go clear the measurement. And then we will go right, let's zoom in a little bit more so we can get a better view of that basketball court. Right there. And we will go right click, measure distance. And very quickly, bottom left-hand corner, bottom right-hand corner, left click, upper right-hand corner click. And you don't have to do it in this order, but it'll just do that for you. And you don't have to drag it in so much in a straight line. So measure the distance. Total area, that gives you the total area inside. And if we were building a fence around the outside of the basketball, we would need 240.62 feet. Okay, I hope this has been helpful to you. Great idea for having the kids get into Google Maps and for finding out how far is it from here to there. Let them figure out how far is it from their house to the school. How far would it be if they were able to fly as a bird in a straight line? And how far would it be if they had to use the streets and the sidewalks? I hope you've enjoyed this. This is a very fun activity for the kids to do. Hope you enjoyed it. This is Scott Shirley's Avatar, and you can call me Bob. Have a great day. It's a great day for being a bobcat. Bye now.